how to true stretch resolution on your Valorant PC. So in this video I'm going to show you some tricks in which you are going to make the game stretch. And don't worry about getting banned, because I and my friends are using this for more than 4 or 5 months and it is completely safe. You don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, without any delay, let's start the video. Let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is first go to your settings, and from here search for device manager, and from here you need to go to your monitors, and you will find your monitors. Yeah, there may be 2 or there may be 3 depend upon your system. Just right click here and disable device. Right, so once you do it, once you disable it, you just close this panel, right click and show more, and go to NVIDIA control panel. Just tap here, wait for some time, it takes a bit time. Now once you are in this panel, go to change resolution, and from here, from the custom, go to create custom resolution, and here you will be shown your current resolution. Just change it to 1568 to 1080, and once you do it, go for a test, and right now as you can see there's successful 58 at 65. You just press yes and as you can see this will be added on your like this. Just go for OK, and right now it is not selected. Now from here, tap here, okay, just select this resolution and press apply. So then go for yes, and this is the first step. So right now our resolution is 1568 into 1080p. You can choose the refresh rate from here as well. So after you done this process, go to this adjust desktop size and proportion. Now it will be by default it will be aspect ratio. Go for the full screen. All right, just go for this, and here choose the resolution. Okay, then go for apply. As you can see, you can figure it out. The screen has been stretched. By default it was not like this. So as you can see, the screen has been a little bit stretched. So once we are inside the game, we have to change something inside the game as well. All right, so once you're inside the game, go to video and then go to general, and from here go to aspect ratio method, and from here go to fill and then apply. You need to, by default it will be letterbox. Go for the fill and then apply. So once you have done this, your game will be fully stretched. And if it didn't work, then please comment on the video. I will help you in order to fix it.